going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be just a little spontaneous type of cruise. I think I'm going to go meet up with the dude that has the Cobra that was in my video a few weeks back. It is Memorial Day weekend. I am still kind of dealing with those clutch issues, so I'm not going to be doing anything too crazy, but I guess let's go and hop into the car. I do need to go get gas, and then after that I should be meeting up with him. Should be getting the X-pipe pretty soon, so hopefully that will be a little bit louder. The X-pipe isn't going to be catted, so hopefully it isn't going to be too obnoxious, but I guess we'll deal with that whenever the time comes. Up to the gas station now. I'm gonna go ahead and get gas, and I'm gonna probably wait on him. There's a 3-valve over there.
Don't get the bugs, man. That's what's nasty. We need to fry off. I got some bugs on it. Every time I'm with this dude, I can't even hear my car. As long as it can finally as long as I can actually get it to confirm my order and everything, and hopefully that'll come through. It should be here by the end of the month, hopefully, but who knows. shots? You wash them?
No, we don't want none of that. We don't, absolutely not.
So it's been a pretty fun little cruise. We tried to go into 2 of the state parks that's around here, but obviously they're both really busy since it's Memorial Day. I think I'm gonna stop up here. There's like a high school and maybe try to get some pictures of the cars. But right now I don't know what's wrong with my car. I mean, for some reason it's grinding in the 3rd and 4th. I think it's just whenever the clutch is really hot. So that's kind of just adding on to the chatter issue. It's only happened to me once before where it's been grinding. And it's not like it's me like not shifting properly because my clutch is pushed all the way in. So not too sure what the issue is, but like I said, we're gonna probably come up here and take some photos in a second. Yeah. So I guess that's pretty much all I'm gonna have for you guys today. I hope you guys did enjoy. Like I said, it was just a little spontaneous type of cruise. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff, and I guess I'll catch you guys next time.